When you meet David Plunkett, the first thing you notice isn't the numbers, it's the steadiness. The kind that comes from decades of doing work that matters, the kind that weathers loss, celebrates love, and keeps showing up for others. Today, Plunkett runs Myasarean and Plunkett LLC and MP's Tax Services Incorporated, two respected accounting practices based in Massachusetts. But to understand the man behind the CPA title, you have to look back to Lynn, where he grew up the son of a mechanic and a nurse, parents who taught him that hard work and service were two sides of the same coin. As a teenager in Lynn, Plunkett balanced sports and school with an easy competitiveness. He played football and hockey, boxed in silver mittens and golden gloves tournaments, and later coached baseball and led the Boy Scouts as a scoutmaster for 7 years. That same commitment to guiding others would shape his approach to business years later. Whether it was mentoring staff or helping families navigate complex tax decisions, his style was always grounded in patience and practicality. After earning degrees from North Shore Community College, Merrimack College, and Suffolk University, where he completed an MBA in international business, Plunkett began his career in corporate accounting. He worked as assistant accounting manager at West Lynn Creamery, then as controller at MSM Management, before joining Bruker as controller, treasurer, and later vice president of finance and CFO. By the time he launched his own firms, Myasarean and Plunkett LLC and MP's Tax Services Incorporated, Plunkett had built a reputation not just for precision, but for people-first accounting. His clients span Newburyport, West Newbury, Peabody, Lynn, Saugus, Danvers, Beverly, and Boxford, yet he's known by name in each town. David's story is deeply tied to family. He married his high school sweetheart and shared 32 years with her before she passed away in January 2020 after an 11-year battle with breast cancer. Together, they raised two sons, DJ, now a Broadway actor, and John, an artist. Her passing reshaped his will, but not his spirit. Instead, he turned pain into purpose, channeling his time into fundraising for breast cancer causes and volunteering at the Salvation Army, even participating in local charity events like Friesen for a Reason. Then, in June 2025, Plunkett remarried. His new wife brought 2 children into the family, Xander, who now works alongside him in the tax practice, and Rebecca, who works in marketing in Boston. When he's not managing client portfolios, Plunkett is most at peace on his farm. The land is home to 3 horses, 2 donkeys, 3 sheep, 3 dogs, and a cat. Mornings often start with feeding the animals before heading to the office. It's a fitting reflection of his life, a blend of discipline and care, of hard data and human heart. For David E. Plunkett, success isn't just measured in balance sheets. It's measured in resilience, service, and the family he's built, both at home and in the community.